How to choose a third-party MGEX Unicorn Gundam LED light set. Hello everyone, welcome to the Model Express channel. With the gradual release of multiple KO versions of the MGEX Unicorn Gundam, today we'll be reviewing 4 LED light set products on the market. Let's first look at the 4 LED light sets, starting with those from Cosmos and UA, which use external power control boards. The UA LED light set, which was the first to announce its information, is expected to be officially released in December for $22. Its features include individually color-changing eyes, battery or USB connection power, predefined bandai lighting effects, and a custom unicorn lighting effect designed by the manufacturer. It can be controlled via a dedicated remote control and a mobile app. Accessories include the main LED light set, shield LED, power controller, dedicated remote control, and user manual. An exclusive metal nameplate is also included. These are the main details of the UA product. Please feel free to add any missing information. Next up is the Cosmos LED light set. It comes in 2 versions, green and white. The current estimated price is $17, with a potential price reduction depending on pre-orders. The release date is yet to be determined, but it shouldn't be too long. A key feature is the customizable color of the LED areas. Being a Cosmos brand, it has a good reputation for quality. The effect seems much better than UA's. The product comes with a remote control and a dedicated app, offering high playability. There are many customization options, including a music mode. Regarding after-sale service, if the main LED light set is damaged due to human error during assembly, a replacement set will be sent for a $6 fee. Next up are the LED light sets with built-in power supplies and control boards, from Craft Studio and Extreme Dream respectively. First, there's the GC light set, which was announced first. The complete set is priced at $27, while the LED light set with only the main body and excluding the shields is priced at $22. It will be released this November. Features include a built-in power supply and control board, powered by a Type-C or built-in battery, and a dedicated app for controlling the lights. Accessories include a base stand, the main body light set, 3 shield light sets, and an EVO Unicorn Gundam decal as a bonus. Regarding after-sale service, if non-human caused damage occurs during installation, a new light set will be sent free of charge. If the damage is caused by human error during installation, a replacement will cost approximately $10. Please add any missing information in the comment section. Finally, there's the Extreme Dream LED light set, currently priced at $19, with a price reduction depending on pre-order performance. The first batch of pre-orders will begin shipping on the 14th of this month. Its features combine the advantages of the previously mentioned items: a variable headlamp, customizable lighting, and a built-in power control board. It uses a built-in battery or Type-C power supply and is controlled via an app, compatible with the Xiaomi app. Accessories include the main LED, shield LED, crotch modification parts, and a power cable. Currently, it includes a Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee antenna, face mask, and collar modification parts. A Unicorn Gundam 03 Phoenix antenna, face mask modification parts, and decals are also included. Regarding after-sale service, free replacements are provided for non-human caused damage. For human-caused damage to the main body and shield controllers, replacement costs are $7 for the main body and $3 for the shield. For human-caused damage to the shield LED and crotch modification parts, replacement costs are $4 and $1 respectively. Shipping costs for human-caused damage are not included and must be borne by the user. Please feel free to add any missing information. Once all the light sets are released, I'll make another video to analyze the pros and cons of the 4 products, along with my personal opinions. That concludes this roundup. I've included promotional videos for each of the 4 products below so you can get a feel for them. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. See you next time.
Do you feel